Hey you guys, welcome back to Sag Son, if the crown fits. So I just got a quick message today. We're going to talk about self-esteem. What does it look like? A lot of you may be surprised to know you can't really just look at what self-esteem look like. It's not going to show up on you. Okay? It ain't got nothing to do with how you dress, what kind of car you drive, what kind of job you got, what kind of house you live in. That ain't got nothing to do with self-esteem. Okay, how you can tell how a person feels about themselves is what this person will tolerate, what they will involve themselves in, what they will allow to go on around them. And oftentimes that I've seen, and I'm not saying all the time, but oftentimes that I've seen with my counterparts is, or just people in general, the ones who have on the nicest clothes, their hair be done all the time, they got good jobs, they got a nice home, they still lacking, or they feel like they lacking something within themselves. And so that's why they put on the extra. 111 on the phone. That's why they put on the extra. But them be the one that be going through the most because of their lack of self-esteem. Okay? You could be broke as hell and feel good about yourself and not involve yourself in no bullshit. That's just the simplest way to put it for me, coming from someone who used to have low self-esteem. And I had to ask myself, like, why do I keep attracting certain people in my life? Why do I keep dealing with certain things? Is it that I'm really such a good-hearted person? Because we like to throw that on there. Be honest with yourself now. Oh, well, I'm just trying to... No. What is it for real? That's when you have to do some self-reflecting. You really got to go within yourself and ask yourself, why in the hell is you dealing with this, that, and the third? You really don't want to deal with it, but you're putting up with it. Why? Your self-esteem. If you know your self-worth, you're just not going to deal with it, period. There's not going to be a lack of, well, if I don't do this, they're going to leave. Well, if I don't do this, they're not going to like me. No, fuck that. 222 on the phone. Very powerful day today. Today, if you guys go on my other channel, y'all will see that reading. Today is one of the most powerful days as far as manifesting love. But it need to be love within self. Because a lot of us, me included, are trying to manifest someone outside of us to give us what we need when we're not even able to give it to ourselves. You got to give it to yourself first so you know what it look like, know what it feel like. Okay, but today's message was self-worth, self-esteem, self-love, all of it tying that together. You cannot just look at a person. Oh, he got a nice car. He must got good. No. Okay? What is he putting up with? What is he or she dealing with? What are their circumstances? What's going on the end is going to reflect on the out. It's just period. It's just period. That is the message today. I love y'all from the bottom of my feet. Thank you guys. If those of you who are coming over from my other channel, I appreciate that. Any new people, again, I appreciate it. But think about what I just said, y'all. You can't look at that shit and tell. Okay? Till next time. Bye.